Welcome back to Bricks at War. Today we're going to take a look at the base maintenance shop. Once again, welcome back to Bricks at War. Let's go ahead and take a look at the base maintenance shop. Now we're going to take a tour of the outside first, and as you can see, the design is to kind of look like a corrugated building design. I see this a lot on bases today, and probably because it's relatively cheap to build. So starting down at this end, we've got the four bays. They're numbered 1 through 4, and they are pass-through bays. So you drive in one side, you come out the other side. There's some lighting built into this side of the building, so that way it keeps the exterior lit up at night should they be working at night. And we also have a security camera built in on this side. And there's a matching one on the other side, just to kind of keep things going and keep an eye on things should it be necessary. The roof itself has some built-in solar panels on it. Those feed the Tesla battery packs on the base to keep things lit up should we lose power. And there's some venting on the roof, just traditional venting that you would see on this type of building. We'll go ahead and move around to this side. And over here, we've got more lighting on the exterior end. And this little stick out part here is a workshop. We'll show you a little bit more of that as the video goes on. Outside, we've got little canisters here, maybe holding used oil or whatnot, and trash can, and of course a barbecue, because you never know when the guys are going to want to get together and throw some burgers on the grill and have those for lunch. Got a built-in piping along here. I went with the red on this just so it kind of sticks out a little bit more. It typically would be designated for fire suppression systems. So that's what that's for. Let's go ahead and move around to the far end. Try to keep this somewhat non-wobbly. This end here, we've got a portable trash or toilet. That way the guys have somewhere to go to the bathroom. I'm going to move that kind of out of the way to show you some more. Built-in power supply on this end, and then we've marked off an area here for the trash can and some additional containers to sit where they put material waste and so forth. Over here, we've got some additional tires. These tires would obviously be used to replace existing tires on vehicles when they come in for that type of maintenance. And then we've got the 4 bays on this side. This is where typically they enter. Of course, we put the striping, security striping on there so people don't get hurt, and there's some obstacles in the way, so should one of the Hummers or something run into it, hopefully it won't destroy the building at that time. So we're going to go ahead and flip around to this side, and I'm going to show you how we get into the building itself. So as you can see in the pictures here or the video that I shot earlier, the building is lit up inside, so that way it's easier to see what's going on in the building itself. I'm going to show you how we remove the roof. So the roof was designed to be removed for easy access. We just put some clamps on the back side of this, and then we added the opposite type of clip on the inside, so that way they just simply clip on there. It makes it real easy to get in and out. We'll go ahead and take the panels all off. I put them in sections, so it's relatively easy to remove. All right, it gives us a little bit better view of the inside. We'll go ahead and angle the camera down just a little bit. So as you can see, we currently have a Humvee in bay number 4. Of course, the soldier fell over. I didn't realize that. Let's get him out of the way. They're working on the engine right now inside, as well as replacing the tires on this particular Humvee. As you can see, we've got simulated bays in the bottom, or maintenance holes in the bottom, like you would see at a repair shop where the soldiers or the mechanics could go down in there and work on the vehicle from underneath. 2 of the bays have got that. And then we've got all kinds of equipment stored inside, toolboxes, other tools, and of course spare parts. Let's go ahead and flip this up a little bit. We'll see if we can get a better angle from there. There we go. So there's the inside. As you can see a little bit better, shop bays and the equipment that's in there. So I went ahead and removed the complete roof to get a better view of the inside. This will give you an idea of how I've got the bays laid out. Of course, they're lined with yellow safety markers so that when they bring the vehicle inside the bays, they know which direction to keep the vehicle moving. That way they don't run over or run into anything that might be important inside. Plus, there's some additional equipment in here that you could see. We've got some additional, like there's the drill press over there in the corner. And as I mentioned earlier, we've got the soda machine. Workbenches here. We've got some gear sitting out there. And of course, the tires that belong to this particular Humvee are ready to go. And then we've got some maintenance shop cabinetry that hold tools and so forth there. And then, of course, down at this end, we've got an American flag mounted on the wall. And then another workbench with some more tools and equipment there, and some men sitting around. We've got some portable carts. That way they can move somewhat. Let's see if I can get the angle right there. There we go. Yeah, it's going to be a little difficult, but we'll try. Yeah, so we got a portable cart here. As you can see, they can put some equipment on it. It's a pretty simple design. Don't even remember where I got that from design, if I came up with that or if I borrowed that from somebody else. If I did, I apologize for not mentioning your name. I always like to call out those who create nice equipment. But as you can see, lots of space in here, room to work on 4 different vehicles. We got a Striker in the bay right now, Striker Dragoon in the bay, and 1 Humvee. So inside the workshop itself, you can see we've got some milling equipment in there, some CNC equipment. This allows these soldiers or the mechanics to create small parts that they may need for the military equipment that they're working on, or maybe they need to manufacture something custom that the soldiers have requested out in the field. But these type of things allow the soldiers or the mechanics to keep equipment up and running by being able to manufacture on the spot when necessary, or sometimes they just need to lathe something out to make it straight or correct it, maybe break brake rotors or something like that on a vehicle that needs to be fixed. They can do that with this particular equipment. Well, that's it for the maintenance shop today. We sure hope you enjoyed the video. We hope to see you back for future videos here at Bricks at War. Have a great day.